I've taught you how to rise Hyperland in lots of different ways before. How to get it done in 2 hours, a full guide, which is what, probably again another couple hours long, and I've made other videos as well that are entire series that show you exactly how to rise Hyperland. But what I haven't done is try and teach it to you whilst only using not even simple sentences, but broken English and incomplete sentences. So in this video, that's what I'm going to be attempting. Now, of course, I'm not going to cover the entire process step by step because not only would that drive me insane, it would drive you insane, and there would literally be no reason to watch the video because you wouldn't be able to understand anything. And so, instead of doing that, I will give you a very simple framework, or what do you call it? Just a couple of steps that you can follow in broken sentences to get Hyperland up and running from the bare minimum. So, let's begin. First, terminal, kitty or foot. Kitty, good font rendering. Foot, faster. Trade-off, speed or font rendering quality. Either. Like fonts, pretty stuff, kitty. Like speed, foot. Install, yay, s, kitty, foot, whichever. Next, waybar, config, lots, GitHub, lots configs, wiki, configuration, lots config options, styling, lots styling options. Me, dynamic island style. Also, old school polybar style. Also, ultra minimal style. Normal dynamic island style. If confused, start small. No doing too much. Next, Rofi, app launcher. Config, this one. GitHub, big collection, themes. Scroll. Find install. Clone, install config. Lots config options, type 1, type 2, type 3. My type amongst these. App launcher, complicate, no. Keep simple. Get config, modify, and use. Last, notifications. Sway NC. Here, configuring, on, own. Too much headache. GitHub, GTK based notif daemon. Scroll. Find link. Click. Find place where showcase. Here, click. Scroll. Find config. Example config. This. Click link. Get. Copy. Paste. Once done, modify to liking. Configure properly to get look, and that's all. Oh my word. Honestly, if I had to speak that took so much brain power in order to say something that was actually coherent and intelligible. Like, oh my god. I am pretty sure I'm gonna have to cut up this video in quite so many different ways so that you can actually hear something that is contiguous and not just split up over seconds and seconds of footage. But anyway, yeah, that is how to rise Hyperland with 4 apps in the most brain dead way possible, where basically you're not able to use anything except incomplete sentences. So there you have it. And if for some reason this video has convinced you that I am somehow a good teacher who can still teach you how to do stuff despite not using complete sentences at all, okay, if I am somehow big-brained enough, which I do believe I am, you can click the first link in the description to learn how to make custom theme switchers like this one, where all you have to do, choose your favorite themes inside of a list of different ones that you have here, and watch as your system completely adapts. And actually, if you just notice, I omitted a preposition if I'm not wrong, so yeah, that mode is still definitely stuck in me. As you can see here in this Hyper Accelerator program, I cover theme switchers, safe house systems, so which is basically dot files, and converting Hyperland into a desktop environment, and all of that stuff and more. So if you're interested in that, of course, you can click the first link in the description and check out the program. And if you're busy and would rather make me make the setup for you, then of course you can click what the second or third link in the description and check out the service. If you like the video, hit like if you loved it and want to see more like this in your feed, more creative content like this where the creator is literally doing the most big brain stuff possible in order to say something that still makes sense, you can of course click subscribe, and I will see you next time. Stay rising.